Hello YouTubers, I have a two-part video for you today of a van tour with my friend Paloma, aka Nina, and I say that because she makes vegan cookies and she just does all kind of cool things. She's a lot of fun and I know you'll enjoy her. She is a teacher. I think I forgot to say that in the video, or maybe she did, I'm not sure. It's been a long day today. I've been doing videos all day today, so I've got a lot of good footage coming up for you. So I hope you enjoy today's video. I hope you'll share and subscribe, and please leave a comment. I love it if you leave a comment. I always answer all the comments that I'm aware of. Sometimes my email doesn't always show me every comment, but I usually look through there and find them. Thank you for watching. Okay, I want you to meet a new friend of mine, Paloma, and I'm so happy to have met her. She's one of the nicest people and most fun people I ever met. We're going to grill her this morning. Okay, what? Do you want to give your full name or just your first name?
Well, my name is Paloma Diaz, better known as aka Nina. I'm starting myself a YouTube channel, but I'm really bad at it, so I'm learning from you, Vanessa.
Oh boy.
Called Josefina the Van, Learning How to Van. I have a couple of videos, but they're like quality, no.
You'll get there. Okay, where are you from, Paloma?
Well, I drove from New York City, but originally I'm from Puerto Rico.
Oh, cool. All right, have you met any new friends since you've been here?
Oh yeah, I've met so many friends, so many good-hearted people. I started at the Vandwellers, and I hung out with solar panel team number 2. Woo-hoo! Thank you for the work you did. And now I'm hanging out with what are we called? The rebels? The
Renegades, I think.
Brigade.
I just happen to be with them. I don't know that I'm actually a part.
You are. Girl, you are.
Oh boy. Okay, so are you full-time, part-time, or what are you doing out here?
Well, right now I'm full-time. I took a sabbatical from my career to do this because I really needed a break. I love traveling, but I have my dogs, Uni and Yip Yap.
And we're so happy to have met them. They're beautiful.
And so I can't really travel, so I thought maybe I'll rent a car, buy a car, lease a car, and just drive from New York City, do short trips on the weekends or for weeks. And as I was doing research, somehow I ended up stumbling onto Vanlife, and that was it. Immediately hooked.
Well, I'm so glad you did, because I know I'm happy to know you.
Yay,
we've had so much
White
fun.
Man's Rock.
Yeah.
Watch it, knock on the door first.
Yeah, we almost had a little incident the other night. Bobo had to go out and potty at like 2 o'clock in the morning, and it's so dark out here. I walked over to Paloma's van and I put my hand up there to open it, and I realized my van's turned in the other direction. Yep. But she said she did it, I think, the next day after that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The worst is that I do it in the middle of the night when we're having beers at the bonfire and you're already sleeping. So I'm like, oh.
Yeah,
I noticed.
I turn in early at night. I'm a little lazy. Okay, if you don't mind me asking, how do you support yourself out here?
Well, I'm on a sabbatical. So I do get a percentage of my check, and I do have to go back in September to work again as a teacher in New York City. So that's how I support myself. And I have a little business on the side. I make cookies, vegan cookies, gluten-free. And I'm trying to, I haven't had the opportunity to do it yet full-time because I just got a stove, I guess, what was it, like 5 days ago?
Yep.
So, yeah, I'm trying to see if I can myself survive on the cookie.
Well, it looks like you got a good start on it.
Yeah.
Okay, can we look around your van and see what you got going?
Definitely.
Well, we can start here at the door since we're...
Okay, so my kitchen is pretty simple. I got this IKEA.
Well, I love that.
This is my counter. This is where I cook.
That's so
where I'm
nice.
supposed to cook.
Very nice.
I had on this. I had to figure out still what to do with the space. I know I had my spice rack there, but it fell apart because I made it with foam and it wasn't strong enough. But eventually, one of the girls told me I could store there all the gas tanks for the
Oh,
stove.
yeah, yeah.
So I need to figure out how to do that. So
Yeah.
I'm excited about that.
It looks like you got a good supply of spices here, too.
Oh yeah, I love a cookie.
While we're talking about that, before we get into your van, I guess, you said you're a vegan?
I am vegan.
Okay, a lot of,
Vegan
well,
on the road.
we'll just tell you now, we're going to do a video just on the vegan life, because I know I'd like to hear what she has to say about it.
Awesome.
So we're going to have just a video on that down the road, right? Okay,
So
here we
let me
go.
show you. This is my sink, and this used to be my kitchen. In my kitchen in New York City, this used to be my breakfast table.
Oh, cool.
I try to do everything reuse and not have to buy. So what I did is I trimmed the edges, I punch a hole. I bought a $16 pump for the water cooler kind of thing. You can come up, I'll show you. And you can actually, it has a USB for you to charge it. I don't know if you see it. See?
Yep.
And it lasts a long time because, of course, we don't
That's very, very
use
nice.
a lot of water here. So that's what I did. And I cut the legs. And then inside, I don't know if you want to be that detailed and look inside.
Oh, yeah.
Like, hold on.
You jump in there and I'll follow you.
Venga. Up, get it. We have space. Una, dos y tres. Sorry. Okay, so inside, I have my water tank. This is my morning routine, my toothbrush, my soap. I have it here. And I have a 3-gallon for gray water. And in the back, a 5-gallon for clean water.
Oh, wow.
And my little pot hung here. Everything is fit to perfection here. Everything you see holds something. This holds my toilet picadillo. I don't know how to call that. The natural thing.
Yeah.
The garbage.
I can't even think what you call it.
Yeah.
Cedar chips with shavings, yeah.
The shavings, yeah. And I have here my drawers that I make with foam.
That's very interesting to me. She made these with like insulation foam. Is that the kind? Yeah.
And I can take them out.
Yep. I love that. They're lightweight too. So
the only reason I did it with that is because it's lightweight. I don't like the fact that it's foam, me being vegan and taking care of the planet and whatever. But trust me, I used every little piece.
Right.
Every little piece I used.
It looks like it does the
piece
job.
here holding cables, and every other piece I threw somewhere between the walls as an insulation. So there's no waste here. So I made my drawers.
I love that.
Perfect.
I've been thinking about doing something like that.
Yeah. I was thinking of painting them, but why?
Nobody's. You got the
let people
curtain
know
there
what they're
anyway.
getting made.
Yeah. Yeah.
And my little curtain.
Yeah. I think it's very nice. I love it.
And my fruits and
We can see
veggies.
her.
Oh, and this is my cleaner. That's the recipe if you want to do a really quick snapshot.
Okay, and you can pause that if you want to read it.
It's half a cup of wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. I say grind it, but no, I have the liquid, and oils, whatever, about 10 drops of oil.
Oh, wow.
Right now I have here, I think it's sweet orange and tea tree.
Oh, wow. I can kind of smell it from here.
Yeah, and I spray it. I spray this so we don't spend a lot of water.
Oh, yeah,
I spray this on the dirty dishes, and then I clean them up with a wipe, a reusable wipe. I recommend Viva if you want to reuse paper towels. Viva, the brand. I shouldn't be doing this because they're not paying me.
That's okay.
But
They might hear this. Decide.
you hear me? Hashtag Viva. So they're really good for reusing because they're very, very strong.
I'll have to remember that too.
Yes, they're a little expensive, but they're
worth it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So continuing with my kitchen, this is my fridge. This was plugged to the lighter. This had a lighter plug, but
Oh, so it's a 12 volt
yes,
cooler. Okay, I mean refrigerator.
yeah. But I had to turn it on only when the van was on, and it wasn't really cooling things because it wasn't on all the time. So what I did was, if you can learn here, I cut it and I connected it directly to my solar panels.
Oh, okay.
And now I can have it all day long on or not. I usually connect it for about 2-3 hours in the morning, and that's enough, and then I disconnect it. Yeah.
She's saying, what's in there that's so
They're
good?
vegan too. My dogs are vegan too. So, and it works.
What is that, cilantro?
Yes.
I love cilantro.
I want to make a rice soup eventually at some point. When we
I
get
love
to,
cilantro in almost anything.
when we get to our next stop.
We're going to stop right here.
Yes. Okay.
And we're going to do a part 2 on this one because I want to talk to you about your solar and everything you got going on here.
Okay.
Because a lot of people want to know this. And some people watch my video that's never watched
Okay.
any videos before. So we're gonna stop right here and we'll have a part 2 to this.